doing? Are you gonna be baby Jesus?
And ice and fires. No problem. You can do this. Yes. Can you say I'm a king?
I'm a king.
All right, this is it, the day before our Christmas Living Nativity. We're trying to get all the finishing touches done, up and ready to go. It's living with animals and kids, so you never know what's gonna happen. Count Mary, getting ready for the nativity. When was the last time we rode this guy?
Like,
A couple of months, at least.
got him out, even.
Yeah. Might be a rodeo. It won't be a rodeo. Anybody can handle it, it's you.
I like the hair.
What, I have hair? Mom, what's this?
Oh boy. We are getting prepped.
Oh my.
All the prep.
And then we're gonna sing Silent Night, Holy Night. And then we are all go there. Very end, it is, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish. Okay, everybody's gone home. I commandeered a little extra help. I think my fingers might freeze off, but I added some extra lights. And now, oh no. Oh no, I gotta get that light off. Okay, one more light to get off. Crown making time for the nativity. Burger King hats we picked up while on vacation last March. And my least favorite thing, but a necessity, glitter. Today is the day of the event. But it's really early. It will be like 12 hours away before we have it. Getting everybody fed. This view, though, from the barn is just about perfect. All right, let's add some new baby chicks in. I knew they were coming, I just didn't write it down exactly on the day. So they're hatching right now, so I gotta get a setup for baby chicks that are coming. Need to leave the chicks alone, Silver. They are not for you to love. The heat lamp busted and I need capes for wise men. So I ran to Walmart. We don't have a lot, but we make do. All right. We need a nice little makeshift thing here. Our last chick experience where we brought chicks from off island went horribly. We had both sets that we got because we got a replacement set, like over 100 chickens and 90 dead. So we just incubate all of our own, and we had a 100% success rate on this past group, and I'm really hoping for the same. We do get more roosters, but I have a lot of people that like to eat roosters, so it's a win-win on everybody's side. And then I try and keep one rooster all the time so that we can have more babies. So that's how that works. We're getting prepped for the nativity, putting on our 8 million layers because it's so cold, but really more windy. We have winds of 30 miles an hour plus gusts, so it feels like about 14 degrees even though it says it's 30. Turn off that microphone.
With exceeding great joy. And when they had come to the house, they saw the young child with Mary his mother and fell down and worshipped him. And when they had opened their treasures, they presented him with gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Remember, it's reverent, boys.
Reverend?
Reverent
What's that?
means like very thoughtful.
Cameron, are you ready for this? No. All right. Mary and Joseph, nice and gentle. Take in your spoon. All right, then you walk.
Hear ye, hear ye. Hear ye, hear ye. Caesar Augustus has issued a decree that everybody must return to their hometowns to be a registered.
Absolutely no room in any inn. One innkeeper found a little bit of room in the barn. And Mary kept all these things, reflecting on them in her heart. All right, we're going to sing. We have seen his star in the east and have come to worship him. Thank you all for coming. You're welcome to go in the barn. Please don't forget to stop over and get some hot chocolate. And please have a very, very Merry Christmas.
So that was the Living Nativity. Holy moly, it was cold and windy, but wonderful, because anytime the nativity is shared, it is a good day.